Hi guys, welcome to English Learning Stop. Today we are going to look at a few phrasal verbs starting with cut. I have a list of them, some of them over here. Let's see what they have to say. The first one is cut back or cut down. Cut down and cut down or cut back are all similar. They both are similar. That means to reduce consumption of something. Like for example, I've written over here, she needs to cut back on her sweet dishes. That means in order to reduce something, she needs to cut back on her sweet dishes. Okay, or the doctor advised the patient to cut down on fats as it could lead to heart disease. Okay, so the problem might occur that he might have heart disease. That is why the doctor is asking him to reduce this down, to reduce the fats, eating with fats, to reduce something that he is eating that includes a lot of fats. Okay, or I could even say my sister was advised to cut back on her drinks due to the risk of diabetes. Okay, so the doctor advised her to reduce the drinks, the quantity of drinks. Okay, coming to the next one, that is cut off. Now look at the example. The owner cut him off to encourage him to do hard. When you stop providing funds to someone, you say to cut it off. He cut him off. Okay, he stopped providing funds to him. Or I could even say the bank management cut off for the lazy employees. Okay, the employees were too lazy and he thought that he could cut it off. Cut off also means to interrupt in between. Okay, like for example, my phone was cut off due to the disturbance at the other end. So when you get interrupted, it also means to interrupt. When you get interrupted in between, or you could even say, as I was reading the novel, I was cut off due to the shortage of electricity. Or okay guys, cut out. He had to cut out his drinking to perform better in his job. That means to stop someone from something or to okay, to perform better in job, he had to stop drinking. It's refrain from or to stop from. Refrain. Okay, also cut out means to remove someone or to omit. I haven't mentioned the example here. It could be like they cut out their friend in order to get more profit. In order to receive more profit, they cut out their friend. Okay, they remove their friend. Moving on to the next one, that is cut through. In order to reach on time, the driver cut through the lanes. I hope you have understood it very clearly. This is very easy. That means to take a shortcut. Okay, just to take a shortcut, just to reach on time, the driver had to cut through the lanes. Okay, cut through means to take a shortcut, taking a shortcut. Next we have cut up. After a few months, she was able to cut up the turkey herself. Cut up basically means to cut something into smaller pieces or smaller sections. She had to practice for some times and then finally she was able to cut the turkey herself. Also it can mean to criticize someone, okay, very severely. That is, for example, the envious mob cut the M&A up in the entire. They criticized on the M&A. Okay, so they cut him up very badly. So that means two different things: to cut something into smaller section, to cut into small pieces, or to criticize someone. Moving on to the next. As I was talking to my boss, he kept cutting in by entering the office. Okay, I was trying to talk to my boss, but he kept coming in. You might have got the meaning over here: to interrupt something, to interrupt. The last one over here is cut someone off. They cut him off as he married of his own choice. Or his worst attitude towards his parents cut him off from the family. That means to deprive someone of inheritance. Okay, they are not going to receive any inheritance, any fortune, because they might have done something wrong, or it might be someone's behavior that you get cut off. Okay, to deprive someone of inheritance. So as he married of his own choice, the parents were very angry and they cut him. Guys, I hope my today's phrasal verbs were clear to you. We'll see some other phrasal verbs in our next videos. So keep in touch, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any sort of questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll be very glad to deal with all those comments. Thanks a lot once again. Thanks a lot.